Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Daily Drives, where we explore the most futuristic machines, next-generation vehicles, and innovations that are changing how the world moves and works. If you love powerful technology and insane engineering, make sure you subscribe and stay with us. Because today we are diving into something truly unexpected and revolutionary. Imagine a massive caterpillar machine rolling silently through orchards, harvesting nuts with zero engine noise, zero fuel smell, and almost zero emissions. This is the Caterpillar Electric Nut Harvester 2026, and it represents a huge shift in agricultural technology. Caterpillar, a brand known worldwide for raw power and heavy-duty machines, has taken a bold step toward a fully electric future. And the results are honestly impressive. At first glance, this electric nut harvester still carries that unmistakable Caterpillar DNA, the bold design. Rugged stance and industrial build instantly tell you this machine is made to work hard. But once it starts moving, the difference becomes clear. Instead of a loud diesel engine, the harvester runs on advanced electric motors powered by high-capacity lithium battery packs. This allows the machine to operate almost silently, which is a massive advantage for farmers working long hours in orchards and environmentally sensitive areas. The electric drivetrain delivers instant torque, which means smoother movement between rows and more precise control during harvesting. The machine can adjust speed automatically depending on terrain, tree spacing, and crop density. This not only improves efficiency but also reduces damage to trees and soil. Caterpillar has designed this harvester to be smart, gentle, and powerful all at the same time. One of the most impressive features of the 2026 electric nut harvester is its intelligent harvesting system. Using advanced sensors, cameras, and AI-based software, the machine can detect tree alignment, nut fall patterns, and ground conditions in real time. This allows it to optimize vibration, collection speed, and suction power to maximize yield while minimizing waste. Farmers get more nuts, cleaner collection, and less manual sorting afterward. Battery performance is a big question with electric machines, and Caterpillar has clearly focused on this. The harvester is expected to run a full working shift on a single charge, depending on workload and terrain. Fast charging capability allows it to recharge during breaks, and optional swappable battery modules make continuous operation possible during peak harvest seasons. For large farms, Caterpillar is also exploring solar-assisted charging stations, pushing sustainability even further inside the operator cabin. The experience feels more like a futuristic vehicle than a traditional farm machine. The cabin is fully digital, featuring a large touchscreen display that shows battery status, harvesting efficiency, route planning, and machine health. The reduced noise and vibration significantly improve comfort, allowing operators to stay focused for longer periods without fatigue. Climate control, ergonomic seating, and excellent visibility make long workdays far easier than before. From an environmental perspective, the Caterpillar Electric Nut Harvester 2026 is a game changer. Zero tailpipe emissions mean cleaner air for farms and surrounding communities. Lower noise pollution helps protect wildlife and improves working conditions. Reduced fuel and maintenance costs also mean long-term savings for farmers, making electric technology not just eco-friendly but economically smart. Durability has not been sacrificed either. Caterpillar has engineered this machine with reinforced frames, sealed electric components, and weather-resistant systems to handle dust, moisture, and extreme temperatures. This harvester is built to survive tough agricultural conditions while delivering consistent performance year after year. What makes this machine truly exciting is what it represents for the future. If electric technology can handle demanding tasks like nut harvesting, it opens the door for a full lineup of electric agricultural machinery. Caterpillar is clearly signaling that the future of farming will be smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. The Caterpillar Electric Nut Harvester 2026 is not just a new machine, it is a statement. It shows how innovation, sustainability, and performance can come together to transform traditional industries. This is the kind of technology that changes how we think about farming and heavy machinery. If you enjoyed learning about this futuristic harvester and want more content like this. Don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow tech and machinery fans, and subscribe to Daily Drives for more insane innovations, next-gen vehicles, and powerful machines from the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.